Hi, and welcome to NEXD. I'm going to show you what you can do and see on our campaign list. On the Campaign Manager campaign list, you can see a list of all the campaigns you've created, as well as their statuses. Your campaign status can be draft, finished, waiting for traffic, or live. When it's not your campaign, you'll see the name of the owner. You can see when the campaign was last edited and how many creatives are in the campaign. When the campaign has traffic, it will also show impressions, engagement, and CTR. Click Analytics to see detailed analytics. Watch our video about analytics to learn more. You can search and filter by layout, status, ad type, keywords, and advertiser. If you have admin or manager permissions, you can add other team members' campaign lists or your whole organization's campaign lists by clicking on the plus icon and typing in their name. You can easily change your campaign settings by clicking on the edit icon. You can change the owner of your campaign, share the campaign with other team members, and add keywords to filter and search. For example, brand name, month, or vertical. You can also choose the advertiser and analytics time zone. Setting a campaign-specific time zone will override the organization default time zone for this campaign's analytics. Use the icons in the top right corner to duplicate, archive, delete, or preview the campaign. If you need to manage creatives, just click on the campaign. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner or send an email to support@nexd.com.